CSFloat, the site that promises to make your skin trading life easy. But is it a genius marketplace, or just another sneaky loot trap with a shiny interface? Let's find out before your skins end up in digital heaven. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because dodging shady online deals is basically a modern survival skill. Now, CSFloat actually earns a pretty solid reputation for being transparent, reliable, and packed with powerful tools. It's a known CS2 and CSGO skins marketplace, not one of those 48-hour scam pop-ups with get-rich trading knives energy. Players love it for its float checker and slick interface. But before we hand them a halo, let's talk red flags, because this isn't a fairy tale. Community reviews are mixed. Sure, many say trades are fast and smooth, but dig into Reddit and Trustpilot, and you'll find people grumbling about delayed payouts, stuck trades, and the classic support ghosted me experience. It's not chaos, but it's definitely not spotless either. To be fair, the platform itself is legit. It integrates with real Steam trades, not shady logins. The risk comes from user carelessness or third-party impersonators. Translation: if you fall for a fake trade link, that's on you, champ. As for reputation, ScamAdviser doesn't call it a scam, and the domain's been around since 2020, a lifetime compared to sketchy clones that vanish overnight. Still, the usual rules apply. Never enter your Steam login anywhere but Steam. Double-check trade offers, and if you're selling big, record everything. So, verdict time. CSFloat isn't a scam. It's just a high-risk playground. The site works, it's trusted by thousands, but like any third-party marketplace, one dumb click can cost you your inventory. In short, it's that one friend who's fun at parties but might borrow your hoodie forever. Use it, just don't trust it blindly. Hit that like and subscribe, because your skins and your sanity both deserve protection from digital disasters.